truck entrepreneur project is what I was going to talk to you guys about today, just because it's the most recent project that we've been doing that also has fully been completed. We're still working on the documentary. And also because I have a personal connection to this, my sister and I run a food cart together on the side. So I thought this would be a fun one to incorporate and to kind of like bring my own story into it. This is me and my sister in our food cart. Basically, Shailene and I also have teamed up with the technology and design teacher, and then most recently the art teacher as well. We do have an opportunity actually at the end of each quarter for the parents and community members and Board of Ed members to come in to the school and check out the projects that we've been working on. And I have some pictures from the food truck and from Shailene's projects too. But you can see students working on the projects. They really enjoyed it. It was really, I used what was on Defined. I don't think I changed much in this project because I really liked the way that it was structured. Researching local food truck establishments, looking into, what it takes to build a menu, what it takes to, like, as far as like the conceptualization of a food truck, pricing, researching that sort of thing, markups, and then finally their favorite part obviously was the building and the designing of the logo, and then finally the finished product.